Let's talk about stars. What do we know about stars? From our previous topic, we mentioned that stars are celestial objects that occupy space. They are luminous in nature, or in other words, produce their own light. Hang on, produce their own light? Where have we heard that before? If you have seen our previous lesson, can you guess which other celestial object produces their own light? If your answer is the sun, you are absolutely right. People sometimes consider the sun as a planet because it's a very large celestial object. This is a totally wrong concept. The sun is considered as a star because it has the same property as a star. It emits its own light. Do stars appear only in the night? It appears in the night as well as the day. But we are not able to see it because just like moon, the stars cannot be seen because of the sunlight. But if the sun is considered a star, how come the other stars are not at the same viewable distance as the sun? Do you have any idea how far a star would be from the Earth? Let's see an example. Person A is standing here at this position. Person B is standing 150 kilometers away from person A. Now, if we multiply it into million kilometers, which makes it 150 million kilometers, then we get the distance of the sun from the Earth. And the sun is millions of kilometers away from the stars. From this concept, you can see why we see the stars as tiny shining objects. But we still didn't answer our question on how far a star would be from the Earth. The distance is quite large actually. It's so large that we would need to express a unit where it doesn't involve a large numerical. This is where light year comes in. What is a light year? It's a really simple concept. It is defined as the distance travelled by light in 1 year. Do you know how much distance light covers in 1 second? Is it a 3-figure number or a 4-figure number? Take a guess. It's actually a 6-figure number. Or to be more precise, 300,000 kilometers in 1 second. Wow, it really is an amazing concept. That's the distance light travels in 1 second. So can you tell me how much distance light travels in 1 minute? Easy. We just multiply this with 60 and get the answer as 18 million kilometers. This is the distance light will travel in 1 minute. With this, we can say that the distance of the Earth from the Sun is almost 8 light minutes. And guess what? There are stars which are said to be 1,000 light years away, and other stars are said to be less than 20 light years away from us. Did you notice what we said? Light years. The Sun is just 8 light minutes away from the Earth, and stars are light years away. But anyway, we just have to know that they are really, really far. So how do the stars move from our point of view? We see it usually rising from the east in the evening and setting in the west in the morning. So does that mean they actually move from the east to the west? Let's do an example. Say a boy is riding his cycle. He passes by buildings and shops. So in this case, is the boy moving or are the buildings moving past him? Yes, the boy is moving while the buildings are obviously stationary. In the same way, the Earth is actually the thing moving along its axis from west to east direction, making the stars look like they're moving from east to west when they're actually the ones not moving. Hang on, what is that star on the Earth's northern hemisphere axis? That is the pole star. It is the star that is closely aligned to the Earth's axis. We will learn a bit more about it in the coming videos.